What's happening, gentlemen?
You could have gone back to
I heard you are going viral.
right on the highway.
Yeah, isn't that funny?
What does that mean?
The woman who takes care of Liberty House, cleans the rooms, and just attends to everything. She stopped down in the hallway and said, "I know you from your YouTube videos."
And Dan was like, no, not me, my husband. But you're in them.
Yeah, well, he's more in them than I am.
He definitely is on grinder, but I would
Independence down here.
never.
Yeah, that's what that fire was.
I was.
We had a show, we had a center there as well.
And I don't remember what this was called. I'll have to look at it. I do love Clarity. I don't mean to bring it forward. There was a rumor that the last one was I was looking. We're gonna apply and pass it out on the phone.